Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the chemical properties of chlorine. First one, action with metals and non-metals. So first we take sodium and then iron, aluminium, hydrogen is reacted with chlorine, and what are the compounds is formed here. So first one I take sodium, that is formula is Na, it is reacted with chlorine, it gives sodium chloride. Okay, how is balanced the equation? Here chlorine is 2 times. So here chlorine is only 1 time. So 2 times. So here sodium 2 times. So now here sodium is 2 times. And next one is reacted with aluminium. So aluminium is Al. That is reacted with chlorine. It gives aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride formula is AlCl3. How is balanced this equation? Here chlorine 2 times, here chlorine is 3 times. So here chlorine, 3 times of chlorine is taken. And then next one, 3 2s are 6, so here 2 times. So aluminium 2 times, so here also aluminium is 2 times. And next one is iron, reaction with iron. So here iron is taken, that is also reacted with chlorine. It gives iron chloride, that is FeCl3. How is balanced this equation? Here 3 times chlorine, so 3 2s are 6, so here 2 times. So 2 times of Fe, so 2 times of Fe. And next one, copper is taken. Copper is Cu, that is reacted with chlorine. It gives cupric chloride. The formula for cupric chloride is CuCl2. How is balanced the equation? So here copper only 1 time and chlorine 2 times, so cupric chloride is formed. And the next one, hydrogen is reacted with chlorine. It gives hydrogen chloride, that is hydrochloric acid, HCl. So here hydrogen and chlorine both are 2 times, so 2 times of HCl. And then here del H value. So del H means that is change in enthalpy. The value is del H is equal to minus 44 kcalories. Okay. And the next one, boron, arsenic, antimony, phosphorus is reacted with chlorine. So first one, boron is reacted with chlorine. And then second one is sulfur is reacted with chlorine. And then third one is phosphorus, that is reacted with chlorine. And next one, arsenic, that is reacted with chlorine. And next one, antimony, that is Sb, is reacted with chlorine. So what are the compound is formed here? The first one is boron chloride is formed. So that is boron trichloride, BCl3, boron trichloride. And next one is disulfur dichloride is formed. So disulfur means sulfur 2 times and dichloride is formed. Okay. And next one, from phosphorus and chlorine, so phosphorus trichloride is formed here. And next one, arsenic and chlorine combine together and form arsenic chloride is formed. That formula is AsCl3. And next one is antimony plus chloride. Antimony chloride is formed here. That is SbCl3, antimony chloride. Okay. So now how is balanced this equation? So here boron plus chlorine, boron trichloride is formed. So here 3 times, so 2 times is taken here, so 2 3s are 6, so here 3 times. Okay, so now boron is 2 times, so 2 times of boron here. And next one is sulfur plus chlorine gives disulfur dichloride is formed. So disulfur means here 2 times, so 2 times of sulfur. And next one, phosphorus is reacted with chlorine. It gives phosphorus trichloride is formed. Here phosphorus is P4, so 4 times of phosphorus. Now chlorine is 3 4s are 12, so here 6 2s are 12. So 12 and 12 equations are balanced. And next one, arsenic plus chlorine gives arsenic chloride is formed. So arsenic As, chlorine Cl2. Here Cl 3 times. So 3 times, 3 2s are 6, so here 2 times. So now arsenic is 2 times, so here also arsenic 2 times. And next one is antimony plus chlorine gives antimony chloride. So here 3 times, but here 2 times, so here you take 2 times, 2 3s are 6, so here 3 times. So chlorine is balanced. Now antimony is 2 times, so 2 times of antimony. So that's all the reaction with metals and non-metals. Next one is affinity for hydrogen. So here, when burned with turpentine, it forms carbon and hydrochloric acid. The turpentine formula is C10H16, that is turpentine. That is reacted with chlorine, it gives carbon and hydrochloric acid. So here C10H16, that is turpentine, that is reacted with chlorine, it gives carbon and hydrochloric acid. Okay, so totally how many carbon is present here? 10 times of carbon. So here 10 times of carbon, and chlorine and hydrogen. So hydrogen here 16 times, here hydrogen only 1 time. So 16 times of hydrogen. Now chlorine here 16 times, but here only chlorine 2 times. So 8 mean 8 2s are 16. Equation is balanced. And next one is, it forms dioxygen when reacting with water in presence of sunlight. When chlorine in water is exposed to sunlight, it loses its color and smell as the chlorine is converted into hydrochloric acid. So chlorine plus water molecules. Chlorine plus water molecules, it gives, so what are the compound? One is oxygen and another one is hydrochloric acid. Okay, how is balanced the equation? Here oxygen is 2 times, so 2 times of H2O. So now hydrogen 2 2s are 4, so here 4 times of HCl. So now chlorine also 4 times, so here chlorine is 2 times, so 2 times of chlorine. So equation is balanced. And next one, chlorine reacts with ammonia to give ammonium chloride and other products as below. So with excess ammonia, so ammonia plus chlorine gives nitrogen plus hydrochloric acid, and again hydrochloric acid is reacted with ammonia, it gives ammonium chloride. So after that we solve the overall reaction. Okay, so here with excess ammonia, so ammonia formula is NH3. So ammonia is reacted with chlorine, it gives nitrogen plus hydrochloric acid, HCl. So here nitrogen 1 time, here nitrogen 2 times, so nitrogen here 2 times. And then chlorine molecules, here 2 times, but here chlorine molecule is only 1 time. Hydrogen 3 2s are 6, but here hydrogen only 1 time, so 6 times of HCl. So here 3 times of chlorine, and then nitrogen 2 times. Equation is balanced here. And next one, 6 times of HCl is reacted with ammonia, that is NH3. It gives ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride formula is NH4Cl. So now how is balanced the equation? Here chlorine is 6 times, so 6 times of chlorine, and then nitrogen 6 times, so 6 times of nitrogen, and hydrogen molecules 6 3s are 18. So here 6 times of hydrogen, so 18 plus 6 24. So here 6 4s are 24. So hydrogen also balanced. And then next one, overall reaction. So here 6 HCl is cancelled. So what is remaining? 2 NH3 plus 6 NH3. So that is 8 NH3 plus 3 times of chlorine. It gives nitrogen plus 6 times of ammonium chloride. Okay, this is the overall reaction. And next one is with excess chlorine. So ammonia is taken, that is reacted with chlorine. It gives NCl3 plus HCl. So here chlorine is 3 times, so 3 times of chlorine, and hydrogen here 3 times, so here 3 times. So equation, nitrogen 1 time, hydrogen 3, so here also 3, chlorine 3 plus 3 6, so here also 6 times. And next one, 3 times of HCl, that is reacted with ammonia. It gives ammonium chloride, that is NH4 Cl. So how is balance the equation? Here 3 times of HCl plus ammonia gives ammonium chloride. So here 3 times chlorine, but here only 1 time chlorine. So 3 times of chlorine. So now nitrogen 3 times, so here 3 times. So now equation is balanced. And then overall reaction. So cancel this one. 3 times of HCl, 3 times of HCl. So here NH3 plus 3 times of NH3. So that is 4 NH3 plus 3 times of chlorine. It gives NCl3 plus 3 times of ammonium chloride. And next one is chlorine oxidizes hydrogen sulfide to sulfur and liberates bromine and iodine from iodides and bromides. However, it does not oxidize fluorides. Let us see the equation. Hydrogen sulfide that is reacted with chlorine. It gives sulfur plus HCl. So here chlorine 2 times, hydrogen 2 times, so 2 times of HCl. And the next one, reaction with potassium bromide. So KBr plus chlorine. So here bromine gas is liberated, that is Br2. So Br2 times, so here 2 times. So 2 KCl is formed. So 2 KCl. And the next one, potassium iodide is reacted with chlorine. It gives iodine gas is liberated. So iodine. Okay. So now how is balance the equation? Iodine 2 times, so 2 times. Okay. So what is remaining? 2 times of KCl. So 2 times of KCl is formed. So that's all students. Action with metals and non-metals and affinity for hydrogen is over. Thank you students.